Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. Now you can close the lid or not close it, and the most important that now it disconnected from your phone, and we can see it at the device list right here. If you have Android, your earbuds will move to save devices, so it would be not in my devices, just in save devices, and it also means that it's disconnected. After that, you just remove it from the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone, and it can fix a lot of small trouble with it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.